Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Lakesofsota Outdoors. We are doing a 1v1 challenge today. So we're gonna get started with the first interview with a special guest, K.
What's up, guys?
So what do you think you're gonna catch for most pounds today?
Realistically, I don't really fish white bear, so probably 9 pounds, 10 pounds.
That's still not too bad.
I'm definitely just trying to discover white bear. Had some tips and whatnot, but probably try to hit deep rock ledges or deep grass. See where that goes.
Alright guys, you heard him. And we got Harlan, but he said he's too tired, so we'll just get an interview later. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the water. Peace, y'all. Really? Oh. Bluegill? The hybrid sunnies will eat that. You mad? Dude, last time my wife, she threw a swim bait out here. She caught one, she didn't even know she had a fish. I was like, oh my God, how is that even possible? Oh my God, dude, look at his long ass back. Oh my God. Guys, see this fish? It's so long, but so skinny.
What is that?
All right. Huh? No, get out the weeds. Okay, I got him out the weeds. Oh, he's way too heavy. Yeah. Thank you. In there. I hooked him good. All right, fish number 2. Technically number 3. Tell you, man, Corky, kill it, bro. Ah, I'm gonna get caught in these weeds. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah. Get out of the weeds. Get up here. I'll spin us around. Damn, look at this fish. It's fat. Hey guys, got another friend. Dude, I for sure thought I was gonna get unstuck on this corn, whatever this is. Do I count this one? There's less than 12 inches. Ow, ow. What is that? If you catch one on that, I swear to God. Oh, dude. Huh? No, me neither. Oh, dude, what do I do with this king? He's in his mouth, in his gullet.
We'll cut this. I'll deal with this.
Okay. We're gonna count that fish? I'm gonna count it. Yeah. Killing it. All right, guys, we are done with the day. Fortunately, I was the only one that cut the most bass, so I guess that includes me as a winner versus Harlan and Kang. So, Harlan, what are your thoughts on fishing today?
Too good for this lake.
Kang?
Definitely get better. I don't really fish whiteberry enough to know how to fish it. Definitely could try next time.
All right, so yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video, and yeah, peace, y'all.